Hello guys, in this video I will show how to convert GGives to cash using Maya Business. If you're trying to convert your GS to cash, unfortunately there's no direct way to do it through Maya Business or any other platform. However, there's a workaround you can try, though it's not an official method. First, open your GCash app, log in and tap on the borrow option. Then, select GS and follow the on-screen prompts to activate GCredit or GGives. Once your GGives is active, you can make a purchase through Maya Business. After completing the transaction, cancel the purchase once it goes through. In many cases, the credit amount will be refunded to your GCash wallet, though this doesn't always work. If the refund appears in your wallet, you can then transfer it to your bank account and cash it out like usual. Keep in mind, this is just a temporary workaround, as there is no official way to directly convert GS to cash at the moment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.